Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're making this gorgeous, very enticing and appealing looking vegetable fried rice. For you to make this fried rice, you have to get everything prepped and ready to go. It's easy to make and your guests and your family will be excited. To make this, let's go. Step 1. First off, here you have your basmati rice. Feel free to use any kind of rice. To this rice, I'm going to add some water and I'll leave it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes at least. And this is after 30 minutes. I'm going to be rinsing this rice like 10 to 12 times. And when that is done, this is it. It's already completely clean now. To that, I'm adding salt, powdered onion powder, and curry. And this is my chicken stock. And I'm adding some water as well. I'm just going to mix to make sure everything is incorporated and mixed together. So I'm going to let this cook for 25 minutes while we go to step 2. I have here my purple cabbage, so I'm just going to cut a little bit out of it. It's already washed and I'm going to be slicing it now. So like I said, when you have all your ingredients prepped, it's easy and it moves really fast. So I equally have other vegetables. They're all prepped already. As we go, I'll introduce them. So at this point, our rice is already cooked. I'll set that aside and we'll move over to step 3. Right here, I have bouillon powder, cayenne pepper, curry powder, and I just added that into our chicken. I just cut this chicken to tiny biteable sizes. Next, I'm putting the pot on the fire and just swirl some oil into the pot, and I'm going to be frying our chicken. So I'm going to be frying this chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after allowing this to fry for a bit, I'm going to transfer see how it looks? I'm going to just transfer this into the air fryer and just dry it up for another 20 minutes. So this goes into the air fryer and we're back to step 4. Now into my pan, I just put a little bit of oil, like 3 tablespoons. And in goes my shrimps. I'm going to let the shrimps fry for 2 minutes, 1 minute on both sides till it's opaque. So now it's ready. After 2 minutes, I'm taking it out of the oil. I just added some garlic into my pan. Like I said, this meal goes really fast, so prep all your ingredients and get them ready. I'm going to let the garlic fry for about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. Then I'm going to add my onion and my green Scotch bonnet peppers. Next is the already cut up carrots. and I'm adding my already cooked corn. This meal is so simple and so flavorful. Next is my spring onions. So I'm just going to cook that for about 30 minutes till I perceive the fragrance, and I'm adding next my bell peppers, the green and the red. At this point, I'm not going to let it cook too long. And next, our purple cabbage. I just love the fact that this meal is loaded with all the veggies and it has some proteins in it as well. So all the nutrients and vitamins and minerals all flowing in this food. So it's a complete package that you're seeing. So finally, I'm adding some bouillon powder. I'm not going to be adding salt because the rice already has enough salt in it, so it doesn't become too salty. So I'm going to stir that as well. This actually is a complete package, guys. You need to try it and let me know what you think. So this is our already air fried chicken and the already fried shrimp. So I'm mixing everything together now, and all the flavors will definitely mix. So at this point, we are introducing back our already cooked, delicious cooked rice. So at this time that I'm adding the rice, I'm just going to stir everything together and allow all the flavors, all the sweetness and the juiciness of all the vegetables and the chicken and everything to just get in contact with each other and get used to each other. If you have watched this video to this point, I want to say big, huge thank you. And if you like what you see, kindly tell me what you really love about this meal. So this is the end product, and it was so delicious. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.